What's going on, everybody? Health Coach Adam Potash here. Today we're going to discuss intermittent fasting. What is it? How do you do it? We're going to give you the ins and outs. Most people associate intermittent fasting, or IF, with a 16-8 period, meaning fasting for 16 hours, eating for 8 hours. There's many different ways that you can look at intermittent fasting. Some people do 24 hours on, 24 hours off. At APA, we do things a little different. We've developed our own way to do intermittent fasting, which we believe is the best and has added to most of our success. What is it? What is intermittent fasting? Simply put, it's basically just taking a break from your digestive process. This allows your body to use stored fats as fuel rather than adding in an external source. But the key is it takes a while for your body to get into this fasting mode. Hence the 16 hours. Our bodies would easily prefer to use an external source of fuel rather than an internal source to burn. What does it do? Exactly that. All the translation is using internal fats rather than external fats. And it takes a while again to get into that process. Results from IF. Results can range anywhere from obviously lower caloric intake. It can also aid in anti-aging, believe it or not. What stops IF? This is a great question. A lot of times we get clients in here that think they're already doing intermittent fasting, but lo and behold, they're not. Anything you put in your body to start a digestive process stops the intermittent fasting process. So we've had clients come in here saying, oh, I intermittent fast. And then my next question is, okay, do you drink coffee? Sure. What do you put in your coffee? Oh, just cream and sugar. Well, again, any sort of fat that you put into your body's going to take and now burn that as fuel rather than your internal fat. If you're going to have beverages in the morning, we recommend tons of water, black coffee, or just plain tea. Is breakfast important? Yes, breakfast is super important, but break that up into break fast. Anytime you break the fast, that is the most important meal of the day. It just doesn't have to be first thing in the morning. Breakfast companies, cereals, dairy companies, they all spend billions of dollars to get you to buy their products. Just stop and think about our ancestors, our forefathers. They weren't waking up and have cereal first thing in the morning, or pancakes, or waffles, anything like that. They were going through their day and some of their first meals were lunch or even later. In fact, recent studies have found that tribesmen mostly intermittent fast, and they found that as they get older, their performance to hunt and gather actually get better. Will I lose muscle? So this is a tricky question. So muscle is always easier to lose than fat. So if you're on a weight loss journey, yes, you will lose some muscle too. But most important is that we get rid of some of that stubborn fat. Added fat to our bodies are gonna have more negative effects on our health. I always like to tell people when starting our program, first focus on the nutrition side before we get into any workout or muscle toning. Other benefits to intermittent fasting. You'll see right away things like increased focus, much more energy. Recent studies in animals have also proven to prevent cancer. If you're looking for more information on intermittent fasting or the APA program, don't hesitate to reach out at adampotash.com or email us at info@adampotash.com. We're here to help and get you healthy.